Hi friends, in this video we will going to know modern wooden bed design ideas and what will price of making this kind of wooden beds. So friends, if you new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. So let's begin the video. And so friends, bed designs has evolved significantly over the time. It's blending with authentic and suit modern living spaces. A bed is no longer just piece of furniture for sleeping, and its focal point in bedroom decor, reflecting personal style and catering practical needs like comfort, space, optimization and storage, and sustainable beds made from eco-friendly or reclaimed woods. Bed designs today are about combining comfort, functionality and style to create personalized and harmonious bedroom environment. Would you like details to any specific designs or advices for your bedrooms? You just do comment. And now we know the price. Wooden beds are popular choice in India due to their durability, elegance and variety in designs. And different types of wood are used to the craft beds, offering ranges of prices and aesthetics. And here is overview of wooden bed types and their price ranges in India. First one is the solid wooden beds. This made from natural hardwoods like sesame, Indian rosewood or teak or mango or oak woods. Its features is durable and long lasting and comes with integrated carvings or natural wood finishes. These woods are price ranges starting from 15,000 to 80,000 or more. And sesame wood is starting from 18,000 to 50,000. Teak wood beds is 25,000 to 80,000. And another one is engineered wood beds. This is made from compressed wood practicals and like MDO for plywoods. These features lightweight and budget friendly and available in contemporary designs. This price range is starting from 8,000 to 25,000. Example, queen size or engineered wood beds with the storage 12,000 to 18,000. This is very budget friendly option. And another one is the mango wooden beds. These materials eco-friendly hardwoods and slightly softer than the teak and sesames. Its features is rustic or vintage look. This price range is starting from 12,000 to 30,000. Mango wood platform beds is 15,000 to 25,000. And another one is a teak wood beds. These materials high quality and termite resistant hardwood. These features are premium quality with smooth texture and rich natural finish. Its price range is example 25,000 to 1 lakh above or 1 lakh example. A king size teak wood bed with hardboards 40,000 to 90,000 in between. And another one is the sesame wood beds. These wood beds are durable hardwood with natural granite grain properties, and these features add traditional and modern designs, often with integrated detailing. Its price range is starting from 15,000 to 60,000. Its storage beds is sesame woods 25,000 to 50,000. And another one is the oak wood beds. These materials imported hardwood and with light tones and natural patterns. This features is durable and elegant, suitable for modern and rustic interiors. This price range is starting from 30,000 to 1,20,000 or custom made oak bed frames 40,000 to 80,000. And another one is the custom made beds. This materials has any preferred wood type which personalized design you want and dimension. This features is the tailoring to your space and style preferences. These beds is price range is starting from 30,000 to 1,50,000 or plus. It's depend on you choose you want which design or any other things. It's depend. The types of quality of wood hardwoods are more expensive than engineered wood, and sometimes the factors is affecting the price, the size, single, queen or king sizes, additional features like storage, headboards or customization. And would you like to recommend it for store for or store your things? You can just take a box type of wooden beds. It's will you can store many other items. And the platform bed, simple and low profile, it's often with storage options. This price range is starting from 80,000 to 25,000. And another one is the storage beds. It's equipped with drawers or hydraulic storage for space savings. Its price range is starting from 15,000 to 50,000. That means you can store any other items on the headboard and the lower side. And another one is the poster beds. It's elegant and traditional featuring focal vertical post. Its price range is starting from 30,000